everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are participating in yet another collaboration. This is the 2022 Thanksgiving pie collaboration that's being put on by My Table of Three channel. And today we are going to be making this delicious cranberry orange cream no-bake pie, and I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to be making a delicious no-bake pie, and this is part of the 2022 Thanksgiving pie collaboration that is being hosted by the My Table of Three channel. And there will be all sorts of delicious pie recipes shared until the 22nd of the month, and you'll be able to pick and choose if you are trying to put together your Thanksgiving menu for this year. And I thought, what a great way to do a no-bake pie, because I know everyone loves no-bake pies, and today we're going to put a little cranberry twist on it. We're going to start with 10-inch graham cracker pie shell. I prefer these larger ones. So to make the filling, you're going to use 2 bricks of cream cheese softened to room temperature, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. We're going to have 1.5 cups of whole berry cranberry sauce, whether it's your homemade or this is equivalent to 1 can of whole berry cranberry sauce that you get from the grocery store, 1 15-ounce can. We're going to use 1 cup of sugar that's going to be divided, 1/4 cup of orange marmalade, and that's it. Now you can choose to put a little orange extract, a little vanilla extract, put your own twist on this. It's up to you. And then I'm going to be giving you a little more information about the 2022 Thanksgiving pie collaboration a little bit later in the video. So what we're going to do now is we're going to clear, and we're going to get started with making this delicious filling. All right, now we're just going to go ahead and we're going to whip our heavy cream to soft peaks. And then we're going to start sprinkling in 1/2 cup of the granulated sugar until we reach stiff peak stage. Okay, I just wanted to show you what soft peaks look like. And that's what soft peaks look like. They're not standing up straight. They are falling over onto themselves. And that's when you want to start gradually sprinkling in the sugar while you are beating the cream the rest of the way. You'll know you've reached stiff peaks when it looks like this, when they're standing up on their own. Don't go too far because you'll turn it into sweet butter, and you don't want to do that. So I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to bring over the cream cheese. All right, now I have my softened cream cheese in a mixing bowl. I'm going to add in the sugar. No need to wait to add that gradually. And I'm just going to beat this until it reaches a soft, fluffy stage. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to add our cranberry sauce and our orange marmalade. So there goes our cranberry sauce and our orange marmalade. And now we're just going to blend these together until they are completely incorporated. Okay. And now we're going to blend the two together. Now we're going to fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture. And remember, when we fold, we go down the center and we fold over the top. And we can turn the bowl, and it helps. And just keep slowly doing that. You don't want to lose all the air that will be into your heavy cream. All right, we have folded everything together. Just take your time. If you see any white streaks from the whipped cream, you want to make sure that you just take your time, go slowly, and incorporate that really, really well. Now it's time to put this filling into our pie shell. You might have a little bit left over, but no one's probably going to complain about that. Okay, now we're going to want to put this in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, but overnight is better because tomorrow this is going to be even better. I have got to tell you, this tastes amazing. This filling you would think would be a little cranberry forward, but honestly, it's just the most subtle flavor of cranberry and orange, but you can taste everything in there. It's delicious. You guys are going to love this. Take the plastic insert that came with your pie shell and invert it over the top of your pie, and then gently crimp the edges all the way around. This will help keep your pie from absorbing the flavors from the refrigerator. If you know, we all have them, so whatever. But this is a really easy way to make sure that your pie stays unadulterated, so to speak, because, you know, we all have kids, we all know what that is. So I'm going to pop this in my fridge, and then when we come back, it's probably going to be tomorrow, we're going to slice into this, and we're going to show you what it looks like, and we're going to have Rick give it a taste. Okay, everybody, it is tomorrow. I let this sit in my fridge overnight, and then this morning I made some whipped cream, and I just did some whipped cream rosettes on the top. You don't have to do that. You can leave yours plain. You can put like sugared cranberries for a decoration on the top, but however you do it, let's cut into it and see how it looks. All right, you know what? The first piece is always ugly and it always breaks. So I went ahead and I cut that first piece out, and here we have a beautiful piece to go. And there is our pie, ready for Rick to taste. All right, there's our pie. It is, you know, because it's a no-bake pie and it has cranberry sauce in it, it is going to be a little softer than other cream pies that you're going to be making. So keep that in mind. It's a little soft, but it's going to be really good. You ready to taste this?
Of course.
Of course. You tell me what you think.
Wow.
That's really good.
Freaking delicious.
And Rick doesn't like cranberries, you guys. So keep that in mind. This just tastes like a delicious cream pie. It's fruity.
You can taste a hint of orange in there too.
Right, that orange marmalade really comes out. So how easy was that? Well, let me share with you one more time that we're participating in the 2022 Thanksgiving Pie Collaboration that's being put on by the My Table of Three channel. Y'all, there are so many great channels that are involved in this. You're going to get a pie recipe every day for the month of November from the 1st to the 22nd only, so up to Thanksgiving. They are doing a giveaway that will be held on the 28th of November. In order to qualify to be entered in the giveaway, you need to watch every video and you need to leave a comment on every video, and that way you'll get your entry. And then the prizes that they're giving away include two $25 gift certificates to 4 Jars lids, a pie cookbook, and other baking related gifts. So please support all of the fabulous channels that are participating in this collaboration. I hope that you also give this cranberry and orange cream pie a try for your Thanksgiving table or anytime, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.